What's nature? What does it mean to us? In order to find the answer, I chose to start a journey to nature in Shangri, explore nature, nourish my body and mind in nature. I walked in the beautiful scenery of Pudazzo National Park, threw myself into the embrace of morning fog in Sunyata Hotel, looked up at Meili Snow Mountain in Philae Temple, breathed the aroma of alpine grassland in Dara pasture, and tasted the depths of soil in rescue fishing.
哇，我捕到鱼了，好大好大！
In Yunnan Rhinopithecus Baiyu National Park, I was moved by the harmonious coexistence between man and nature. I submit to the beauty and spirit of nature again and again. My body was joyful because it has long been eager to return to mountains, forests, and lakes, and to be one with them. During the journey, I experienced the local culture and life, listened to the story of love and lives, and wanted to share them with you. Come, walk with me.